time is it?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 13th, 2023. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, January 16th, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. School is closed. The PBMA Boys Middle School basketball schedule is January 17th, 4 o'clock p.m. at St. Joseph's Episcopal School in Boynton Beach. January 26th, 4:30 p.m. at Franklin Academy in Boynton Beach. On 127 and 128, there is a weekend tournament. The location and times will be announced. February 6th at 4 p.m., it will be at Trinity Lutheran and Delray Beach. And finally, February 8th at 4:30 p.m. at Franklin Academy in Boynton Beach. Please come out and cheer on our Sharks. Spring pictures are on Wednesday, January 18th for grades kindergarten, first and second grades, and middle school. Thursday, January 19th is grades 3, 4, and 5, and high school. These pictures are out of uniform in school-appropriate dress. Friday, January 27th at 6 o'clock p.m. is STEM night. The Cox Science Center will bring fascinating hands-on activities for all our kindergarten through 12th grade students and their families to enjoy. The event is at our secondary campus and admission is free. We will sell pizza and chips as a fundraiser. Please come and join us. Monday, February 20th is a teacher workday. No school for students. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. We had a very busy week here at the elementary campus. Our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students completed their FAST PM2 testing for reading and math. Score reports will be going home shortly, so parents please be on the lookout and discuss those scores with your students. Next week on Wednesday, January 18th, students in 3, 4, and 5 will be taking their science diagnostic. 3rd, 4th grade, it's just kind of a practice. 5th grade, they do take their state science assessment in May. So really important that those kids put forth all their efforts so we can help them to progress for when they take the statewide assessment. Thank you.
Re-enrollment packets have been sent home with your child. It is important to note that charter school students must re-enroll every year. Packets are due back no later than February 3rd. Packets received after February 3rd will not guarantee your child's spot for next year. To ensure your child's spot for next year, please return the packets to your student's teacher on or before February 3rd. Students in secondary art are learning about the magical measuring technique. Students use a long paintbrush to measure each section of the structure of their subject, which they will be painting. This technique enables the artist to create the correct proportions, dimensions, and scale in their artwork. After their subject is sketched, they will begin painting them next week, using color theory they learned. Elementary art is learning about Picasso. Here's Miss Fisher.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher over here at the elementary campus, and I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on in art. So this past week, we have started doing one of my students' favorite projects. We are starting Picassos. Raise your hand if you know who Picasso is. So we are working on our Picassos over the next couple of weeks, so you can ask your children if they know about Picasso, and maybe they can even show you their own self-portrait. So I just wanted to give everybody a heads up on what's going on in art, and keep making that art. Right, guys?
Yes!
Grades 1, 3, and 5 are visiting Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. Our students learned about the oceanic ecosystems, which included a scientific experiment in which the kids measured pH levels, ocean salinity, and water pollution. After the experiment, students were invited to meet turtles in their turtle hospital. One of the turtles was recently admitted to the hospital for eating over 800 pieces of plastic. Gumbo Limbo strives to rehabilitate and release turtles back into the wild. Don't forget to purchase a yearbook. Yearbooks are now selling for $45 through January 31st. Yearbooks can be purchased at ybpay.lifetouch.com. Our school code is 1469743. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.